A new dawn has risen in the realm of smartphone technology. It's January 2024, and Samsung has just unveiled its latest masterpiece, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. A marvel of engineering, this device revolutionizes how we interact with the digital world, taking us leaps and bounds into the future. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With crisp visuals and vibrant colors that breathe life into every pixel, this screen is a window to a world of immersive experiences. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or navigating through a complex spreadsheet, the display ensures a smooth and delightful user experience. Photography enthusiasts, prepare to be awed. The S24 Ultra features a superior camera system, led by an astounding 200-megapixel main camera. Together with a suite of multiple lenses, this system captures reality in its most vivid and detailed form. Every shot is a masterpiece waiting to be framed. Driving this beast of a device is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. With its raw power and seamless performance, it laughs in the face of multitasking. Lag? That's a word the S24 Ultra doesn't understand. Speaking of memory, you have options galore. From 128 GB to a whopping 1 terabyte of storage, you can choose what suits your needs best. And with up to 16 GB of RAM, your apps can run wild without slowing you down. The S24 Ultra is also built to last. Its titanium frame and Corning Gorilla Armor glass ensure that your device remains unscathed, even in the face of life's little accidents. Keeping the lights on is a powerful 5,000 mAh battery. With fast charging capabilities, it ensures that you're always ready to go, no matter where your day takes you. The Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't just a device, it's a personal assistant. With AI features like circle to search and live translation, it simplifies your life in ways you never thought possible. Finally, let's talk about style. Available in a variety of colors, the S24 Ultra is more than just a powerhouse, it's a fashion statement. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, the price. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $2,000 for the base model. Yes, it's a premium device, but believe me, it's worth every penny. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future of smartphone technology, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, where innovation meets elegance. It's not just a phone, it's a lifestyle.